Okay, we're going to a €1 house. Now, you know how I feel about €1 houses, but this one I am liking because, okay, this doorway though, it does need to be shored up clearly, but if you're getting a €1 house, you're expecting that. And I'm walking down into the bottom. You're expecting that, but what you're not expecting is look at the ceiling, look at the walls. There's sound. Also, that rock is beautiful. So you can leave that naturally, but what I'm thinking, that needs some work too. €1 houses, people don't realize how much work goes into just getting them to the bare minimum, right? So this is that way already. So what I'm thinking for this is you could have a bathroom under here, underneath the stairway, and then have the kitchen right here, and then have a living room. Yes, I know you don't like bathrooms near kitchens, but when you're putting water pipes in, that's the most convenient way to do it. This stone is beautiful too. You can also leave that natural. Look at the stairs, nice, even. They're not crumbling down. You just have to do this part here. I am going to see how I can walk up this wood plank. Okay, so look at this. What I'm thinking is that it would be great for a loft space. So again, look how flat, nice, big window, window without glass, easy to get up here, wide stairway. You can have a bathroom in that space, which I'll show you in a moment. You couldn't have a walkout terrace here, but you could have a big window. You can open with that Juliet, kind of like a railing. And it has a view. I did ask about this beam, and what I was told was that it's not holding the walls up. It was there before when they were repairing the floors. So leave that exposed or covered up. Nice big bedroom. This could be the bathroom. It does have a shorter height. Gosh, I can stand in it, and I'm 5'7". I'm probably 5'6", but I lie and I say I'm 5'7". But definitely, if you didn't want the shower part in here, definitely a toilet could be here, even laundry in that corner. And but you could do a small shower. So yeah, nice loft. Now, clearly I'm not going up in this hole, but there would need to be some work done on the roof. But if you look up there, there's an angle here. So this could be another, you could have a spiral staircase right here. And then that could be another bedroom potentially. Clearly you're walking through this one if you do it that way, but you could put a wall right here and center it off, have a little hallway and have a second bedroom or a yoga room or whatever. And then up above that is like a pop-out window. So that is amazing. I love this. It gives me total, I don't know why, it just feels like a loft. It's loft vibes. And for the €1, usually on the €1, I don't even show them to you because you cannot walk across the floor. You can't walk in a €1. They tell you walk on the perimeter because they don't trust the ground. So that's what I do. And I say, if you have to take out the floor and replace it, it's so much money. But this has already been done for you. See, again, look at all of that. Now, there isn't parking right up front. There is just a short walk away. It does have nice streets. It's quiet here. And look, one more view. I really like this one. I honestly cannot believe I was able to walk in a €1 house the whole thing because I usually am not able to. Okay, so there's the street, nice, open. I'm going to turn around and show you the entry. And potentially the house to right there may be available for sale. I'm not sure, but you could very well check and have a bigger space. So yeah, perfect €1. Honestly, it's just the fact that everything's been done already and gutted is amazing.
This €1 home is not part of the government program. It is a private €1 sale. You do have to be present to purchase. You can't buy this remote. So if you're coming to town and if you want to take a look, the contact information is in the description. Send a WhatsApp message. Let us know when you're in town and we'll arrange for a showing.